freak. Are you kidding me?
Okay, alright. Welcome back again to this channel. It's John Empire again in another new video. So you are welcome. On this channel we always share videos related to technology, and we shall help you to use your device productively, most especially phones. So thank you for always watching my videos. And if this is your first time being on this channel, alright, this is for you. Enjoy it. Okay, and if you are my returning viewer, again, I welcome you back in a new vibe. This one is for you. Alright, thank you so much for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to this channel. In this video, I'm going to be showing you how you can create thumbnails, YouTube thumbnails, or how you can edit photos, again using Inshot. We are going to be using Inshot again to edit, but this time around we are going to edit YouTube thumbnails. So watch this video till the end, and I kindly request you to follow each and every step which I'm about to show you in this video. Alright, this is our app as usual. For those who don't know what thumbnails are, let me show you an example. It is thumbnails. Those are the pictures, yeah, which appear on the video. For those videos which are uploaded on YouTube, you always see those stunning pictures on the front of the video. They are those pictures which can make someone to tap on your video and watch it. So a thumbnail must be attractive, and you must make sure that you create a thumbnail which can impress a person to tap on your video, or a thumbnail which can, in case you are branding yourself, you choose a thumbnail that will help you to win the attention of other people. Okay, alright, let me show you an example of a thumbnail. I created some thumbnails here. For example, this was for my previous video which I uploaded on YouTube. This one, advanced editing tips. This is a thumbnail, and I'm going to be showing you how you can edit a thumbnail like this one, or how you can even be able to edit a thumbnail which is better than this one. Alright, so allow me to officially begin the video. So we open our Inshot, we tap this side, we tap here on the photo, tap there. Then from here we are going to select, you choose any photo which we are going to use as a background image. We choose a photo that we are to use as a background image. As you see, I'm going to use that one, since the thumbnail I'm going to be creating is all about smartphone productivity. So let me begin editing officially. Alright, first of all, I'm first going to change the background of this photo first. I'm going to change it first. So I'm going to change the background of this first. You tap here on cut out. You tap on cut out. After tapping on cut out, alright, we are going to select this. You tap on this feature. You tap on that. You see the changes? Something has happened. We have removed the background. So we are going to start editing. Then Alright. You tap on text. You are going to start putting texts here. So you tap on text. You drag up to the position where you want a text to be.
Are you kidding me?
Learn smartphone productivity tips and tricks. Alright, hope you can see that we are trying to come up with our thumbnail. Slow but sure. I'm not going to complicate this thumbnail. I'm going to make it simple and easy so that you can be able to learn each and every step. I'm going to keep it cool. Before doing anything, you come this side. We come to cropping. Here. We come to cropping. You tap on crop. So, here, there are various forms of cropping. And you just choose from those forms provided. There is a form for Instagram, form for YouTube, form for TikTok, and other forms. You just choose any format. It depends on the kind of thumbnail you are creating. Are you creating a YouTube thumbnail? Are you creating a profile pic for Facebook? For our sake, we are creating YouTube thumbnail. So we select YouTube. Select this. And we tap on this tick, this one here. Alright. Alright guys, no problem. I'm trying to modify this. Okay. Alright. By this, I see it not coming out clear. Let me try to put another different image. Alright, maybe this may work. Okay, we edit.
Are you kidding me?
Alright, hope this thumbnail can work. After doing whatever, you tap on save. And your thumbnail will be saved. This thumbnail will be saved. If you don't want that, you can as well do more kind of editing. You have more other features like filters. You can add a filter, you can add just the brightness, contrast, you can add effects, you can add stickers, you can edit, choose a frame, any frame of your choice. So whatever you want, you can do whatever you want. You can do whatever you want. You can rotate, you can zoom, flip, just do whatever you want. So others are easy. Other features are so easy to use. So that's the process I wanted to show you in this video. And this is our thumbnail which we have created. This is our YouTube thumbnail. You see it, that one, that's the thumbnail we have created. It is, we have not modified it a lot, but if you want to modify it to make it more attractive, you can give it your time. You give it time and come out with something which is literally good. You see some kinds of thumbnails I have. So in the next video, I will be showing you how to update a thumbnail on YouTube, or how to change a thumbnail. Yeah, I will be showing you how to update a thumbnail on YouTube. So on any video which you have uploaded. So thank you for watching my videos, and don't forget to subscribe to this channel. I kindly request you to subscribe to this channel, turn on the notification bell, most especially, so that you will be notified whenever a new video is released. Thank you for watching my videos. Thank you for watching my videos. And if you found value in this video, give it a like, comment below this video, comment and share it with your friends. Help like this video so that it can be ranked on YouTube. Thank you. I sign out. May God bless you.